So there goes our Mallow board, and we can see here that it's Mallow, and this is the sum itself. It's very easy to plug it in. You can't go wrong about it. You first put it like this, and then you put it here, and you have like the holes to secure it, and you can also put the heatsink on it. So you can't go wrong about the heatsink as well. So it goes in a very obvious way with a screw. So I'll just put it on. You have 4 holes, 4 screws, and you can't really go wrong about it. So it's pretty easy. Now I mentioned I really love how they packed like the adapter. So it may be a little bit obvious, but you just slide it here. You don't push or anything like that. And then you have your adapter. So you need to make it click. Now here's the thing. It's indeed fantastic, but on this particular board, look at the connectors. They're not barell. But there are options to connect and like power up the board if you understand which one is plus, which one is minus. These are these two connectors that you see here, like the 5x, and we can also like connect it here, okay, to the, I think it's supposed to be 6x. Yeah, x6, x5 and x6. The thing is that you need to be very careful. So you need to figure out what is the polarity. You can do it by looking at, this is another adapter because I have an adapter connected. You can do it by looking at specification here, is like the minus and plus, and then you have like the polarity. Or to be like on the very, very, very safe side, you want to see what comes from where. So you can put like a multimeter inside. This is the red tip, so it's positive. And you can put, this is like one of the cheapest multimeters that there are. You can put like the black one here, and if it shows like positive number, then you know that the inside is like the positive tip. And then you can like, I don't recommend doing it. I recommend just getting the right adapter or getting like the right wires. But then you can power up the device by connecting those. So what I'm doing now, like on the field, because I just don't have like the right equipment where I am, is something you shouldn't do in general, but it will work. You shouldn't do it because when you have like jumper wires, um, their resistance may not be adequate. So basically, the colors are now not exactly what I showed before, but here is like this one, the red one, is the minus from the outside. The inner one is the positive edge. And I unscrewed the connector here, okay? And I just connected it with a female cable that looks like this, okay? And I will, this one is the plus side, and the other one is the minus side. Okay, the plus is connected, and I will connect now the minus, and you will see that this lights up. Now, just to make it better, I'll connect like the screen, the monitor. Okay, so that we'll see it powering down. Hopefully, it doesn't consume too much current, and the cable and the wire cables are not good enough. So here it's connected, and now I'll connect this, and we can see the power LED coming up. You can see that we have LEDs here, and we can also see what I showed in other videos, which is the Toradex is installer. Now I did not connect it to internet, I did not do anything, so that's what you have when you boot it. Okay, so this is pretty good. It means I can proceed, but if I want to proceed, I should definitely isolate some things here. so that I don't have any issues.